I found the best betting option to always make money with football betting, and it's not the over 1.5 goals. I know in the video I made about over 1.5 goals, I said that it's the easiest betting option, because you can randomly select the over 1.5 option for 10 games in different leagues and easily win. But the over 1.5 goals odds are really small, and bad luck can happen, as one game can spoil the over 1.5 accumulator bet, because no football bet is 100% certain. That's where the double chance and over or under goals come in, or the straight win and over or under goals. This betting option is your best shot at making money with football betting, especially if you are a bettor that wants to be an expert in winning regularly with 2 to 5 odds. We all know selecting the straight win option for clubs like Bayern, Porto, Man City, Ajax and Real Madrid is almost certain, but their odds can be really small, which makes most bettors always have to include inconsistent teams like Chelsea, Man United, Lille and so on in their bet list, which is one of the reasons why most football bettors lose money. But the straight win and over or under goals help you to increase the odds of the teams you are confident about and have a better chance of making money without having to include inconsistent teams in your bet list. For better understanding, this is how you use this betting option to increase the odds and maximize profits. For example, if you want to bet on a match between Bayern Munich versus Bremen, Bayern Munich probably have more than 80% chances of winning here, but Bayern's straight win odds is very low, so to increase this odds, you will have to make a research on the possible goal outcome for this match. We all know Bayern is an attacking team, and Werder Bremen is probably capable of scoring back against Bayern, so to increase the odds for this game, you will have to combine Bayern to win and over 2.5 goals to have a higher odds. And you can do the same or include the under goal options for other matches that include Porto, Man City and Celtic. In another match like Spain versus Portugal, both teams are almost equal in strength, but Spain is less likely to lose, and their recent games have produced low goals. So to get the highest odds out of this game, the best option you should select is Spain win or draw and under 3.5 goals. To always make money with this and to make sure you always have a better chance of winning with this option, do your research well, especially on the goal outcome, and only select 3 of these options per bet list, to reduce bad luck and have a higher chance at winning. Because as sure as this betting option looks, it's also very easy to lose, because we are combining 2 betting options in one game. Please share this video with your fellow bettor if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to be the first to know when we release another helpful betting strategy video. Thanks for watching.